Pomona introduces 5 lines of do-it-yourself quick assembly connectors, with 22 connector part numbers in total. Available in various colors for color coding and easy visual indication of what is being tested, the spring-loaded clamp design connectors allow for easy cable assembly and quick wire attachments up to 18 gauge wires. There is no need for soldering or using set screws to secure wires to the connectors. Simply press down on the quick release tab, insert the stripped wire, and release the tab. Designed for low DC voltage applications and low frequency signals, these 4mm banana plug and binding post connectors are ideal for making quick connections for custom fixtures, early prototyping, or informal one-off projects.